Planning a wedding can be a challenging task, but with the right guidance and approach, it can also be a rewarding experience. This step-by-step guide provides valuable insights and practical tips to help you manage wedding planning with ease. Whether you're a first-time planner or looking to improve your skills, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to orchestrate a memorable wedding. Your wedding planning style should fit your personality and preferences. Successful wedding planning keeps in mind important factors such as the travel needs of your guests and wedding party, your budget, environmental factors, personal and dietary preferences, and one that is often overlooked, your stress level. There are a few areas in particular that, if you can get a head start on, will be beneficial in the long run. These areas are your wedding party, your vendors, and your guests. Of course, your budget will always be an underlying influence. Let's start with your wedding party. One of the most challenging parts of wedding planning is keeping your wedding party up to date. Your wedding party consists of a set group of people who will attend multiple events throughout your wedding. Communicating with each person individually can be exhausting, but there's a better way. Use the Wedistry for Wedding Parties app to organize your wedding party. You can set your events, invite your wedding party, and keep everyone on the same page with just a few clicks. The wedding party can be one of the most difficult parts of wedding planning, but it doesn't have to be. These are very important members of the wedding, including the maid of honor, best man, bridesmaids, groomsmen, and more. Always have backups for those who have speaking, reading, or singing parts. You want to be prepared in case someone can't attend due to illness or other reasons. Next, let's talk about your vendors. Your vendors include anyone you pay to help with the wedding, such as your photographer, videographer, caterer, florist, and wedding planner. Start by booking your venue as soon as possible to secure your preferred wedding date. Have backup dates and a backup venue, just in case something goes wrong. Successful wedding planning means having vendors you love, offering services you find helpful, and people who are kind and knowledgeable. Lean on recommendations from your wedding planner and friends. Be ready to negotiate with your vendors. Even if their pricing seems fixed, they may be willing to work with you due to your circumstances. Always ensure that what is included in your agreement is what you receive. Finally, keeping your wedding guests up to date is crucial. You will have a structured process for sending out invitations and tracking RSVPs, but also be flexible. Adjust your number of guests or venue if needed. Feel free to follow up with guests who haven't responded yet. A little nudge can go a long way in ensuring everyone feels included. Use well-designed wedding websites to keep track of responses, but remember that you may still need to do some nudging. Be patient and considerate, as these are your loved ones. Successful wedding planning involves careful management of your wedding party, vendors, and guests. By staying organized and flexible, you can create a truly memorable wedding experience. Happy planning, and may your wedding day be everything you've dreamed of and more.